Alright, so we're about to start talking about a lot of issues in the lungs. So before we start talking about a lot of issues in the lungs, we just want to look at the overview of how the lungs actually came about, because some of these issues in the lungs are simply there because there was an issue when your lungs were developing. You understand? So overview of lungs development. We said that first of all you should know that this is a beautiful process, right? So it's all about transforming a small bud like this, okay, to something very big, okay, and efficient for you to be breathing and all of that, okay. So let's quickly look into the processes. All right, probably this one will be much more simpler. This one has so much details, but this one is very good, okay. So we have the embryonic stage, we have the pseudoglandular stage, we have the canalicular, also known as the saccular stage, we have the alveolar stage. So the embryonic stage also that is within week 3 to 6 as the baby is developing. So there's formation of the lung bud from the foregut, and also development of the trachea and the primary bronchi. Okay, so some 3 to 6 weeks, right? 4 weeks still is into the interval that we just spoke about. So different individuals develop at different times, right? But at least there's an there's an interval rather. At the pseudoglandular stage, which is about week 6 to 16. Okay, branching of the airways into the terminal bronchioles, no alveolar yet, so no gas exchange. Canalicular is week 16 to 26. There's formation of respiratory bronchioles, vascularization begins, some gas exchange is possible at this time. Okay, so at different stage now, they're now trying to tell you that if a baby is born at this stage, is there a possibility of what? Survival. Can the baby be able to initiate breathing by itself? Do you understand? So week 26 to week 36, development of sac-like terminal structures, surfactant production begins. So at least if a baby is born within this time with proper care, they can eventually start breathing by themselves. The alveoli is week 36 to postnatal years. There's formation and maturation of alveoli continues into early childhood. Okay, so key concept is you should note us talking about surfactant production, because you know the stage at which the baby the stage at which surfactant is being produced depends on whether the baby will survive or not. Vascular development, okay, then postnatal growth too. Okay, alveoli continue to multiply more. Do you understand? So that's why even if a baby is born when they already have alveoli, they still need support. Do you understand? Because you need much of the alveoli again. So clinical relevance is if a baby is now born before their time, you know, they might suffer more from breathing issues. Okay, congenital anomalies. Okay, then lung regeneration. So understanding these stages informs research into lung repairs, okay, and also stem cell therapies. Alright, so that's it for the overview of lung development.